So, I have been doing horrible games for a couple of years now. Let's see what I managed to learn. My first playable prototype was Pyxman, which is a minimalistic Pac-Man clone written in Python using Pyxel game engine. It was fun and unexpectedly challenging, cause, I'm a senior developer, so I should be able to write games with my eyes shut, right? Wrong! So I learned quite a lot of stuff from this project. Sprites and sprite-based animation, player movement, grid-based movement, which was not easy at all, tile-based levels, basic non-playable characters, also music and sounds, which I think was not too bad for my first prototype. I wonder, could you do any better? In any case, even though nobody actually played this game, I did learn a lot. For my second game, I decided to go serious. I made a remake of classic Asteroids game, and I decided to adapt it for mobile, hopefully to release it commercially, which did not work out. There is actually a video about it on my channel, link in the description, I guess, check it out. It was my first project in Gamemaker, so I learned a lot of Gamemaker basics such as rooms, sprites, animation, movement, rotation, blah blah blah, and also more advanced stuff like multi-touch support and touchscreen support in general. Most importantly, I had to take it from I can make a prototype to something which could be potentially shipped commercially. So I had to do lots of boring but necessary things. How to export a game to a target platform, how to hit your head against the Google wall of silence. Did you already try to make your serious game? Tell me how badly did it go. My last more or less playable game was Angry Dudes, a remake of old QBasic Gorillas game. This time I tried to make a local multiplayer game, which didn't work very well, as you can see. But still, did I learn something? Actually, yes, I did. I used UI layers in Gamemaker, which is a new feature and actually works like a charm. I talk a lot about UI layers because I love them. I also had to work with some physics simulation and gravity emulation. I do support wind and angle mechanics. Finally, I learned that the game that looks simple may surprisingly be very complex. Honorable mentions are, well, I tried a couple of game jams, I actually made videos about this, so they should be somewhere on the channel or somewhere in the description. Finally, I made a prototype in Godot, and I liked it. And I also made a kind of similar prototype in Unity, and I did not like it at all. And I'm not planning to stop, my dudes. Even though none of you play my games. Actually, why are you so mean? Why don't you play my games? Why don't you comment on my video? Why don't you hit like and subscribe? So, if I could do these silly games and learn at least something, you my dude, should be able to do it better. Cause I'm old, grumpy, middle-aged, balding guy, and you are... By the way, who are you? It was Test Encoder. See ya.